Alright, let's get real about the Neurivo hand massager, because you've probably seen it everywhere and wondered, is this thing legit, or am I about to waste my money? So, here's the scoop. The Neurivo hand massager is not a scam. In fact, it's all over Amazon and Walmart, with a ton of legit reviews from actual users, some of whom deal with serious hand pain from stuff like arthritis or carpal tunnel. What makes this massager stand out? First off, it uses air compression, 13 little airbags to be exact, plus soothing heat that can get as toasty as 125 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're typing all day, crafting, or just have tired hands, people say it works wonders for pain and stiffness. You get 3 massage modes, think vibrancy, health, and soothing, with 5 intensity levels. So you can really make it your own, whether you like it gentle or you want that deep squeeze. The heat function is a fan favorite, especially for anyone with joint issues or cold hands. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. Some users with smaller hands feel it's a little roomy, and if you crank it up to the highest compression, it might be too much for sensitive folks. There's also a version for larger hands, but it's not one size fits all. But here's what I love. It's cordless, rechargeable with USB-C, and super portable. You can get about 3 to 4 hours on a charge, and it'll automatically shut off after 15 minutes, so you don't overdo it. Bottom line, the Neurivo hand massager is a legit wellness device, not a scam. If you struggle with hand pain, it might just be the relief you're looking for. Just check your fit and start slow with the settings. Have you tried it? Drop your experience below.